next month's Your Town Hero Report.
The first question I asked both of the guys was if they thought they were any closer to retirement, and they both looked at me like they thought I was crazy, which is pretty impressive considering if you put both of their careers together, they're 15 years away from working 100 years in the fire department.
Well, I've been with the fire department for 45 years plus.
39 and a half years.
Yes, in this case, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and counting the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, and today, probably 1,000 stories. William Hanson and John Page have been there, fighting fires alongside each other for decades.
Oh, I have no idea. I would have absolutely no idea.
45 years worth is
a lot of them, and they all stick with you, but you know, there is a lot.
Something different every day.
Page is a full-time Petoskey public safety firefighter. He spends his days at the fire hall and helps fix up the trucks. During the day, Hanson works at the family grocery store, always ready to roll when the fire tone sounds.
They've got a lot of fires under their belt, a lot of emergency situations, and they're the kind of guys that when things are really chaotic, they're calm and they know what to do and they get it done.
They do it because they say it's only right to help when things go wrong.
You save life and property. It's got to do something for you.
I can't think of two other people that would be more worthy of being recognized as hometown heroes, because they truly are. They've been here their whole lives and they've devoted their lives to serving this community. And
the thing is, they're nowhere near hanging it up for good. Page doesn't even hang his gear up.
Not right now. No, I won't say a while.
I mean, this is just, this is my love here. I like it, and I'm still able to do it, so I'll stick with it for a while.
For their more than 85 years of service and dedication to the community, the two men will be honored on September 11th by the Department of Public Safety. In Petoskey, I'm Andrew Keller, 7 4 News.